Experts on purification via membrane technology. KeenSen Technology, the professional manufacturer and service provider of high-end separation membrane products, particularly in reverse osmosis membrane and nanofiltration membrane. KeenSen, with the international perspective, gathering a group of international professors, deeply engaged in international cooperation, and introduce the top technology and facilities for RO membrane and NF membrane manufacturing with a huge investment. KeenSen established a global material supply chain, only uses world best raw materials via cooperation with the world well-known chemical enterprises to ensure the product quality with constant technology innovations. KeenSen has filled several domestic blanks in membrane field and changed the domestic membrane market situation of heavily relying on imports. KeenSen presently produces various types of RO and NF membranes. The production line is capable of producing 3 million square meters RO and NF membrane sheets annually, and over 60,000 8-inch RO and NF membrane elements per year. KeenSen Technology is bringing you the most efficient, reliable, energy-saving, and reassuring value experiences through the world's synchronized core technology. What is membrane? The most core part of KeenSen membrane is aromatic polyamide composite layer. Reverse osmosis membrane is a kind of functional semi-permeable membrane which allows the permeation of solvent molecules and stops solute molecules, while nanofiltration membrane is another kind of functional semi-permeable membrane which allows permeation of both solvent molecules and the low molecular weight solutes or non-valence ions. Both RO membrane and NF membrane are the most effective separation membranes in purification field. How to purify water with membrane? The working theory of both RO membrane and NF membrane are the same. For RO membrane, by pressurizing at the feed side, the natural rules of water permeating from dilute solution to concentrated solution will be overcome and reversed. The water molecules of the feed water will pass through the membrane and become product water. Differ from RO membrane, NF membrane has bigger pore size, which allows higher permeation rates than that of the RO membranes. The permeation rate of NF membranes mainly depend on the categories of solute molecules and the type of membranes. The potassium and sodium ions and some other small molecular weight materials which are good for people's health can be partially allowed into the product water. The element structure. From bottom to top, a product membrane is composed of a long-woven fabric layer, a polysulfone layer, and an aromatic polyamide composite layer. The spiral-type membrane element is made through the integration of membrane with feed spacer, concentrate spacer, core tubes, and end caps via adhesives to achieve the separation of water molecules and solutes. The purification process via membrane technology. Water solution flows through the feed side of the element units, passes through the membrane and divided into concentrate solution and product solution at the product channel. Manufacturing and quality assurance. KeenSen Technology has the most advanced performance test center, analytical lab, quality assurance center, and the most advanced testing facilities from mixing, casting, coating to the element ruling and testing. Each process is strictly controlled by the product quality law of the People's Republic of China, including the test of the raw materials. After-sales service. KeenSen Technology is committed to take responsibility to each sold product, strict and detail-oriented installation service, and after-sale telephone service are provided to each product, being fast, high quality, and characteristic. KeenSen Technology is striving to meet the demands of all customers. KeenSen RO and NF membrane products can be widely used in various applications, including seawater desalination, sewage water recovery, electronic industry, metallurgy, oil industry, machine industry, food industry, civil engineering, environment restoration, tap water improvement, pre-treatment of RO system, community dual water supply, household water dispenser, mineral water purification, and intermediate water recovery, etc. KeenSen Technology, up on its world top NF membrane technology, provided a total solution of safe, clean, and healthy drinking system for the modernized city. Heavy metals, organic pollutants, bacteria and virus can be fully cleaned, while other mineral substances, which are good for the health, can be saved. KeenSen's direct water drinking system installed at Changsha No. 1 Middle School is well received by the teachers and students there. In Yunnan, in Hebei, KeenSen is utilizing its advanced membrane technology to improve the water quality for the people all over the country. KeenSen Technology, with its best product and service, is striving to meet all kinds of market demands and create a safe, clean, green, and healthy future for the humanity.